the outbreak of coronavirus epidemic, World Health Organization is asking countries and territories for help. To be more specific, governments could contribute money or medical facilities to fight against COVID-19. As far as you know, contribute is a verb, and many of you understand that this word means to give something, especially money or goods, to help someone or something. Furthermore, contribute can be used as an intransitive verb. I mean, it does not need an object followed. In this case, contribute means to be one of the causes of something. Certainly, you should remember its structure for correct use. To contribute to something. For example, medical negligence could have contributed to her death. Several factors, including changes in diet and lifestyle, have contributed to the increase in childhood obesity. Research suggests that fast food and soft drinks directly contribute to childhood obesity. Talking about the causes of something, I'd like to share you some other structures. Let's follow the upcoming slides. To cause something. Childhood obesity can cause long-term health problems. The next structures you should remember are to lead to something or to result in something. For examples, changes in lifestyle and diet over the last 20 years have led to a sharp increase in childhood obesity. Or, changes in lifestyle and diet over the last 20 years have resulted in a sharp increase in childhood obesity. In this case, I believe you are advised to note down that lead to will be followed by a noun or a noun phrase, since I have noticed that many English beginners use a verb after lead to. Last but not least, if you wish to find a phrasal verb referring to a cause of something, you could consider the phrase bring about. To bring about something. Like in the following example. Even small changes in lifestyle and diet can bring about significant weight loss. That's all of what I would like to share with you today. I hope you could apply those structures in communication well. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. Shining with Miss Sun, a shortcut to your English enhancement. See you soon!